Oh, apparently, guys, I just saw on the internet, Osimhen got injured, and I heard like there are reports of which he won't be able to start against Le Match against South Africa, which is a big match out of like a drama and stuff, because they are more hungry. So okay, I'm not sure what's like mind games or what, and if like he's really like injured, I just wanna say what I hope it's like a recover and stuff first of all, and it might be mind game. We might be seeing him, and then also there's this not drama about there's this thing of like our South Africans speak up about now, but like but that is just jokes, but I'm just thinking what mina into bayanto they're just playing like mind games. We've seen like every time when there's a big match, besides what's like nations wide on an international level, but on a club level, when maybe there'll be a final, like mind games and stuff, and just to confuse the opponent stuff. And I believe it is one of those. But if it is not one of those, I'd just like to apologize, and I hope Uguti Umchita is gonna recover anytime soon. And somehow that might be good news for South African, but also ever since about like from like AFCON last year when we were playing, go ageko that threatening mabafika like Ilana like Africa with AFCON. So I don't know why that is the case, but yeah, man, tell me what you think.